Have you ever pondered what the future of technology might hold? What wonders and innovations await us in the year 2030? The speed at which technology is advancing is nothing short of breathtaking. Every day, new possibilities are unlocked, bringing us closer to a future we could only dream of. From artificial intelligence to zero-latency connectivity, the next decade promises to be a thrilling ride. Join us as we explore the top 20 technologies that are set to redefine our world by 2030. We begin our countdown with the current technologies that are rapidly evolving. First, we have applied artificial intelligence, or AI. Organizations today are gaining easy access to machine learning, computer vision, and natural language processing. Python, PyTorch, and TensorFlow are among the high-demand tech skills. In the coming years, we can expect AI to become an integral part of any business operation. By 2030, using AI won't be a luxury, but the expected cost of doing business. Next up is zero-latency connectivity. Imagine a world where your internet connection is as fast as your thoughts. We're not there yet, but we're getting closer. As we move towards 2030, expect lightning-fast internet that will be essential for the growing demands of AI and other advanced technologies. Then, there are ACES vehicles. That's autonomous, connected, electric, and shared vehicles. The future of transportation is here. Self-driving cars, connected networks, electric power, and shared vehicle services are becoming the norm. By 2030, ACES vehicles will be an everyday sight on our roads. The fourth technology is a biotechnology boom. We are in the midst of a biotech revolution. From gene editing to personalized medicine, biotechnology is transforming healthcare. In the next decade, we can expect even more breakthroughs that will redefine our understanding of life and health. Finally, we have climate change mitigation technology. A whopping 45% of organizations expect to implement these technologies in the future. Innovative solutions to mitigate climate change, from carbon capture to renewable energy, are becoming increasingly vital. By 2030, these technologies will be at the forefront of our fight against global warming. These technologies are already changing our world, but they are just the beginning. Continuing our countdown, we delve deeper into the technologies shaping our present and future. Quantum computing, once a distant dream, is now a promising reality. This technology leverages the principles of quantum mechanics to process information at rates unimaginable by traditional computing standards. By 2030, quantum computing could revolutionize fields like cryptography, material science, and even medicine, by solving problems that are currently beyond our grasp. Next on our list is cloud and edge computing. These technologies have already started transforming how data is managed, processed, and delivered. Edge computing brings computation and data storage closer to the devices where it's being gathered, reducing latency and bandwidth use. By 2030, these technologies will fuel the growth of Internet of Things devices and autonomous vehicles, making real-time data processing and decision-making possible. Immersive reality technology, encompassing augmented reality and virtual reality, is another game changer. Today we're seeing its application in gaming and entertainment, but by 2030 its potential could extend to education, healthcare, and even remote work, creating immersive and interactive experiences that transcend physical boundaries. In an increasingly digital world, digital trust technologies and cybersecurity are critical. Zero trust architectures, digital identity systems, and privacy engineering are just the beginning. By 2030, with the rise of AI and machine learning, expect to see more sophisticated and proactive cyber defense mechanisms that can predict and prevent threats before they occur. Finally, we have low and no-code software. This technology democratizes software development, allowing non-tech professionals to create applications without writing a single line of code. By 2030, this could lead to a surge in innovation and productivity as more people are empowered to transform their ideas into functional software. As these technologies evolve, they promise to bring about unprecedented changes. Now, let's venture into the realm of possibilities and explore technologies that are likely to emerge by 2030. First off, we have instant multimodal AI. This is an enhanced version of today's AI that can process and react to multiple types of inputs simultaneously. Imagine having a conversation with your computer, not just through text or voice, but also through gestures, facial expressions, and even your thoughts. This kind of AI could revolutionize how we interact with technology, making it more intuitive and human-like. Next on the horizon is adaptive predictive artificial intelligence, or APAI for short. Unlike traditional AI that follows preset algorithms, APAI can adapt and learn on the fly. It can predict and respond to changes in its environment without needing explicit programming. This could lead to more efficient automation, as machines can adjust their operations to match real-time conditions. Then there's lab-grown food. As the world's population continues to grow, so does the demand for food. Lab-grown food offers a sustainable solution to this challenge. It involves cultivating meat or other food products in a laboratory setting, eliminating the need for traditional farming. This could greatly reduce the environmental impact of food production. Our fourth future technology is commercially viable DNA storage. DNA is nature's way of storing information, and scientists are figuring out how to use it for data storage. This could offer a much more compact and durable alternative to current storage devices. Imagine having the entire Library of Congress in a device smaller than a sugar cube. Lastly, we have AI-powered brain-computer interfaces. These are devices that allow for direct communication between the human brain and a computer. With AI's help, these interfaces could translate thoughts into digital commands, opening up new possibilities for people with disabilities and paving the way for more immersive virtual experiences. These technologies may sound like science fiction, but they could very well become reality in less than a decade. As we reach the end of our countdown, let's unveil the top 5 technologies of the future. Starting with number 5, we have better battery technology. As we increasingly rely on portable devices, the need for improved battery life is more crucial than ever. By 2030, we can expect to see significant advancements in this area, with batteries that last longer, charge faster, and are more environmentally friendly. Next, at number 4, we have improved weather prediction AI. Imagine knowing exactly when it's going to rain down to the minute, or having accurate, long-term forecasts that can help farmers plan their crops better. With the help of AI, meteorologists will be able to make more accurate and precise weather predictions than ever before. Coming in at number 3, we have preventative medicine. The healthcare industry is set to transform drastically. Imagine a world where diseases are stopped in their tracks before they even begin. This is the promise of preventative medicine. Technologies such as genetic testing and AI-powered diagnostics will enable us to detect and treat conditions much earlier than we can today. At number 2, we have real-time linguistic translation. Language barriers will become a thing of the past as AI-powered translation software becomes more sophisticated. This will not only make communication easier, but also open up opportunities for greater global collaboration and understanding. Finally, at number 1, we have adaptive, personally identifiable information (PII) detection. As our lives become more digital, protecting our personal information has never been more important. This technology will help us identify and protect our sensitive information, making our online experiences safer. These technologies could revolutionize our lives, and they might be closer than we think. As we have seen, the future of technology holds incredible potential. From organizations leveraging applied AI to the rise of ACES vehicles, the coming decade promises to be transformative. Quantum computing, immersive reality, and digital trust technologies are just a few of the groundbreaking developments we can expect. And let's not forget the likely emergence of adaptive predictive AI, lab-grown food, and real-time linguistic AI. By 2030, our world could look vastly different, all thanks to the relentless march of technology. The future, it seems, is closer than we think.